Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ims, and today I'm basically going to record my little adventure. Just wanted to take you guys along with me. Hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And
You win.
there's like a water part over there, but I haven't went just because I forgot the leash. I forgot my dog's leash, so I'm unfortunately not gonna be able to go on that side. But I am gonna move my little picnic area to the sunny part to get some sun and smoke some more CBD. And but yeah, so far so good. Alright y'all, so I'm like dummy excited for this package that I got, that I received. I'm like super excited about this, so I decided to just go ahead and unbox it with you guys. So hopefully you like unboxing. If you don't, then you can just click off. But honestly, I think if you love to shop, you're gonna love this package, especially if you're a female, love shoes, and love Nike. So stay tuned. Alright, so we're gonna get right into it because I'm trying to try these on already. To be honest, they came all the way from Hong Kong, and there wasn't many available. There was a few pairs online for like $500 to $600, but I didn't have that much money, so I decided to go with a lower price that I luckily found, and they were able to ship it to me, and I finally have it. So I'm super happy and excited. This is the box that it comes in. I am so excited, y'all. Like, I love shoes so much. I just got these not too long ago. They're like really cute and they were really cheap, so don't say I spent too much money. They were like 30 bucks, but this one was actually 200. Ouch. Yeah, this one hurt my pocket, but this is why. Oh my god, it smells good. Oh, look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, just this side it looks so basic, but when you take it out, oh, I cannot believe I'm holding these. I cannot believe that I'm finally holding these beauties. Oh my goodness. Lord Jesus, please give my shoe a moment. Look at that detail. Oh my goodness. I can hardly breathe. Like, seriously, the detail and the colors and everything about this shoe makes me want to just gag. This is probably the most perfect shoe I've ever bought in my life, and this is the only reason why I spent so much for something like this. Now, this is honestly probably the best shoe I own right now. It's beige ivory. It's not white like an Air Force One, typical Air Force One. It's more beige ivory, and it has beautiful tones and awesome colors to match with a lot of different things, and a pretty cool label in the back, a 2020 label. Even like down to the tongue, there's like 2 patches, like a pink and an orange one, and I just think that's super dope. So I'm super happy and excited about that. See the other one, oh my god. This is just so freaking beautiful. Damn! I'm so in love. I've never been so in love with a shoe. Like, seriously, this is my pride and joy. I will lick the bottom. Seriously, these are like my new favorite shoe. I cannot believe it. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing.